Diving into a divorce can feel overwhelming, but I'm here to guide you through your first consultation with a divorce attorney. This meeting is crucial. It's your chance to set the tone for your case and see if the attorney is the right fit for you. First things first, gather key documents. You'll need personal ID, your marriage certificate, and any documents concerning your kids like birth certificates or custody orders. Also bring financial documents, income statements, savings, investments, debts, and any property records. If you have a prenuptial agreement, include it too. The more prepared you are, the better advice the attorney can offer. Take some quiet time to think about your goals. What do you want in terms of child arrangements, asset division, or financial support? Be honest about your fears or concerns. This clarity helps the attorney tailor their advice to your needs. Remember, this is a great time to ask questions. Get a sense of the attorney's experience, approach, communication style, and fees. Ask about the divorce process and expected timeline. This helps you assess if they're the right guide for your journey. Understand that the attorney's role is to protect your legal interests and navigate the legal maze for you. They won't promise specific results, but they'll explain your rights and options, helping you make informed choices. At Daniel Obayedi Law, we treat every client with care and focus. We understand how tough divorce and first consultations can be. Schedule a free consultation today. Let us help you move forward with compassionate, personalized legal services that fit your needs. Visit www.expertsinfamilylaw.com. Good luck and take care.